All right, this is the Webull tutorial for the beginner. I'm going to show you exactly what is inside the Webull account and how can you trade stock and crypto, especially Dogecoin. So that way you guys are not worried, is Webull is right for me? Can I buy stock in Webull? Can I buy crypto, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum? Inside Webull? The answer is yes. And what is inside Webull look like? To me, Webull is very convenient, and you can buy stock before hours and after hours as well. And Webull have so many analysis based on the new, the chart, the financial statement, income statement, balance sheet. They have everything all inside Webull, and it's super convenient. So if you're looking to buy stock or cryptos like Dogecoin, Bitcoin, then Webull is right for you. I really think that Webull is an all-in-one platform that allow you to buy stock before hours, after hours, and they allow you to buy crypto as well. So if you look for something that's very convenient, advanced, and also for the beginner as well, Webull is right for you. So without any further delay, let's jump right in and let me show you exactly how it works. Okay. So the first step, guy, is you sign up for Webull, um, and you already sign up for Webull already. So when you log inside the account, this is what it looked like. Okay, this is what it looked like inside the Webull. You guys will see something like this. Okay, you guys will see. Let me show you guys real quick. You guys will see the dashboard, right? This is the dashboard of Webull. So they have the watch list right here, and they have the marketplace right here, and they have this section right here, community and messages. So let me show you the step by step. And they have the section right here, and they have the little icon right here as well. Okay. And let me show you exactly how it works. So the first step, guy, let's go inside right here to see what did this thing look like. I click right here. You will see watch list and my position. Watch list is any stock that you want to watch, but you haven't buy yet. Okay. And you can also use your hand to swipe to the right hand side like this. See, this is the account that I buy right now inside Webull. I also have Robinhood account as well. Webull is my secondary account. Before I haven't used Webull. The reason why is because they don't have cryptocurrency. So I buy most of my cryptocurrency of those coins inside Robinhood account. And so right now, Webull, I start to purchase a little bit of Dogecoin and test out the account, and I see that Webull working really well. So this is Dogecoin right here, okay? And this is your stock right here. So this is my position. So you scroll all the way to the left. This is the watch list, okay? And you can click right here on the top. There you go. My position. Click right here, my watch list, okay? Now let's go over here so you guys can see. If you want to search for any stock, click right here. This search button right here. Click right here. Let's say I want to search for, let's say, I'll just give an example. Like I want to search for Palantir. Palantir. There you go. PLTR right here. And I click right here onto the stock. And from there, this is the price of the stock. And this is the trade right here. I can buy. And you can see you can play option right here. Click right here. You can play option. And there's a new right here. There's comment, analysis, company. They have everything in here. Okay. So now I go back to the trade right here. You click trade. And you can purchase the stock right here. Buy and sell. Sell. This is buy. And right here is limit. Limit is mean you set the price and you click the buy, and they have to match this price right here for the order to take place or for the order to go through. I like to click on market. Like I want to buy right away. So you can click on quantity. How many quantity you want to buy for Palantir? 2 share, 3 share, 4 share. And you're going to see the price right here at the bottom. Okay. Let increase to 4 share. See the price right here. And this is my buying power right here, for example. Okay. So that is how you buy. Let me switch back to, let's say, limit right here. You can put in how many quantity you want to buy. Right here, you can see like regular hours, and this is extend hour. Extend hours after extend hours after 4 to 8 p.m. and also is you can trade also early at 4 a.m. The good thing about Webull is you can purchase stock early at 4 a.m. Different from Robinhood. Robinhood, you have to wait until like 8:30 for you to purchase. Um, and for Webull, you can purchase at 4 a.m. and all the way until after hour 8 p.m. So that's the benefit of Webull. This is the limit right here. So let me go back real quick. I cancel. So guy, if you look right here, basically you click right here, you search for the stock. And now I want you to click right here and check it out. The purpose of this video is I want to walk you through every single thing inside this dashboard so you understand how to use, okay? You click right here. See? Maybe your dashboard is gonna look a little bit different from mine, but you're gonna see like here's the promotion area right here. Account bonus open. You don't need to worry about any of this thing right here. You need to worry about like transfer account to Webull. So if you want to transfer Robinhood to Webull, you click right here, okay? You can click right here. They show it to you. And you can transfer. So if you want to transfer any account to Webull, you click right there. So let me go back. Deposit bonus right here. And you want to claim your free stock, click right here. There you go. You don't need to worry about that one right there. This is my alert. So you want to set a price for any kind of stock to alert you. Like let's say I want to set a price alert of Dogecoin when it hit around like 25 cents. They're gonna alert me on my phone. You can do that. Click add alert. You can add the stock in, and you can set the price whatsoever in here. Okay, so play around with that. Very simple. Let's see what else. All of this thing right here, I'm not too worried. Click on setting. Setting, you can program your security, and you can program the theme. You want it to, what color do you want? Black color, white color. I like white color. So all this thing right here, I don't think it's that important. Okay. Now let's go back here. One more thing I want to show you is you see this section right here, edit watch list. You can click on edit watch list. So you can edit all this thing. You can make this thing go on the top, like Palantir go on the top. You get your hand and you move it, you know. You move up and down. You move up and down. So you can organize the stock. And you can make it go up, see, you can make it go down. Let's get this one and move it go down, okay? And you can delete that by click right here and click delete at the bottom, okay? So you can select and delete any watch list that you don't want. So the idea of the watch list in here is sometimes you have any specific stock that you want to organize and you don't want to go to like thousands of different stock. You can click on add symbol. So let's say I want to add Rolls Royce, okay? Just give an example. I want to add Rolls Royce, RYCY. You see right here, and I click on right here, this button right here, and I add to this one to a watch list. Click right here. There you go, and I'm done. Click cancel. Do you see like Rolls Royce right there? There you go. And right now, what you see in here, guy, is you can see the price of Bitcoin is 38,000. Ethereum, this price right here. COINBASE, the price 223 right now at this moment. So this one, you can see all the price easily down here, okay? And at the bottom, you can see like the percent of change recently. Okay, the percent of change right here, okay? And if you want to change the number, you can click on price right here. Watch this. I use my hand and I click on price. You see, right now you can see like the price is changed to 32 cents. Click it again. You see that? It's changing. There you go. And let me see. That's it right there. Okay, so I already showed you guys how to customize the watch list. You can see the price of the stock right here. You can see the change, and you can see your actual stock that you purchased right here. Or you can click right here and see my position. Okay. Now, what I want to talk about more is this is the section is called watch list. Okay, you can click back and see the watch list. Now you want to click on market. Okay, right here. Or if you want to purchase any stock, click right here and you look for a stock to purchase. Okay. Now you click on market at the bottom. In the market, you will see explore. Explore, that's mean you can see a bunch of like different category of which stock, like recreation, what kind of stock in here. You can see everything. You see, you can go inside renewable energy equipment. You can see everything in here. And you can see like security as well. So I don't normally go inside here and see a bunch of this, okay, because I know what stock am I looking for. So now you want to click on United States, kind of browse around. In United States, they have a lot of different stock. They have the Dow Jones, S&P 500, a bunch of stock down here. You see, you can scroll all the way down, and they tell you what is the top gainer for the last few days, like 1 month. What is the top stock? See, top gainer is AMC right here, 381%. The last price, this one. The last 5 days, what is it? Clover. You see, so you can see like what stock is hot right now. Okay, or the last 1 day. There you go. You see a bunch of this thing right here. This is 135%. So what is the top loser? You can see right here. For the last 5 days, top loser. This one right here. What is the most active? Most active is the one that have a lot of volume. Okay. The most active is AMC. You see, 217 million volume. SEN, SEN, this one. No wonder this 3 stock go up so much. Okay. So this is the price right here. So this is the top 3 active stock right now. You can scroll all the way down and see all this thing. So that's in the United States. And the next thing you want to see, crypto, is right here. Cryptos. Click cryptos. And in crypto, they have Bitcoin, they have Dogecoin, they have Ethereum. And you use your hand to scroll over. They have Litecoin, they have other coin right here. And you can see other crypto right here as well. Some of this crypto is not available yet on Webull, like Cardano. It's not available yet. Only Dogecoin right now, and Bitcoin and Ethereum, and some of this coin right here. Okay. Let's go all the way down. And global, it's been every other country around the world right here. Okay. That's all for the market. So if you want to go inside the market and check it out, it's right here. The next thing is this button right here is the most important button, like in my personal opinion. This button right here. So let's click on that real quick. Click right here. So when you click right here, you will see how much money you have inside your Webull account. Okay, like say most of my fund is on my Robinhood account, and the Webull is just my secondary account. I invest very heavily into Dogecoin, and Webull right now is my other secondary account. But I think that Webull is very good to buy stock and Dogecoin. If I have to start over again to choose between Robinhood and Webull, I'm probably gonna go with Webull because it's so convenient and and they have, you know, after hour purchase stock and before hours. Okay, so this is, you click, let me go inside here again, click right here, you're gonna go inside here and see all of your position. So this is your total value right here, and you will see, like, you know, all the detail. Like, for example, click on detail right here, you see everything. Okay, see all the detail. You're gonna see like the market value right now is how much is it, like how much it costs right now, what is the money that you have in your account right now, the market value. Okay, the money that you invest right now in the market. So I invest 1,000 something, I have $7 something left on my account, and this is my position right here. I buy Coinbase, I buy Dogecoin, and this is some of my free stock right here. Okay, so this is my Webull account. So if you go inside your account, you will see Dogecoin, you know, like all the stock that you purchase right here. Okay, so Jimmy, so how do I purchase? You can click on right here, quick trade. Click on quick trade, so you can purchase. Let me click right here, quick trade, and you search for what stock. So let's say I want to purchase Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin. There you go. Click on Bitcoin, and you click on purchase right here, because I don't have enough fund right now to purchase Bitcoin, so it doesn't show right here. You see, or I haven't purchased in the amount. You see, I can put in the amount how much I want to purchase Bitcoin. So if you want to put in the amount, you put it right here, and you click on buy. Okay, let's test out those coins so you understand. You have a couple options if you want to buy something. So right now you can see your value already over here. Okay, this is the total amount. This is how much you invest in the market. This is how much cash you have left. And this is how much cash you have left in the crypto to purchase. And this is the stock that you purchase right now. So I click on Dogecoin right here, and I can click on buy. So you see right here, my total value on the market right now, 300 something. I invest in 400 something dollars, and right now I have this much. And the price right now is this much right here. The price of Dogecoin right now, if you look, the price of Dogecoin, let me see, is the price of Dogecoin right now is 0.3228 right here. This is the price. Okay, this is the price of each, and this is my price. So if you look down here, this is your price right here, and this is the price of the market. Okay, this is your price, your average price of the price market right here. This is your average price. My average price of Coinbase is $226 per share, and this is the market price right here. And right now I'm losing money on Coinbase, so you can see very clear. Same thing for Dogecoin. Okay, so let me click right here. So if you look right here, the mid price right here, and if you want to purchase, you can see the price is fluctuating right now. See, 0.03268, and I click right here, buy. And you can see, if you want to buy Dogecoin, it's really simple. You click on the word buy right here, buy. Okay, and if you want to sell, you click on close, and that's when you sell. Okay, so click buy right here, and right now you see the limit price. So that's mean limit is really mean that you want to purchase those coin at this price only. If it go up, it's not gonna go in. It have to go down at this price or below. Okay, so I'm gonna put in how many doses I want to purchase. You know, you just put in the amount. So let's say I want to purchase 500 doses. See, you put in the amount of those coin, and this is how much it costs right now, and this is how much money you have. Okay, so 500 those coin, this price times this price right here. Okay, and this is how much, and you click on buy. This is, you put limit. But the way I buy, I don't normally put limit. Okay, limit is like you have to wait for that price to hit. I put market. Okay, so you want to buy, click on market right there, and you put in how many Doge you want to buy. I say I want to buy like, let's say 5,000 Doge, for example. Okay, and this is the price right here, 1,000 something, and you click on buy. That's it. Click on buy. They're gonna tell you buy. Say it's not enough power to buy right now because I haven't deposited the money in here. And you click OK, and they're gonna walk you through the transfer. Okay. Let me see. Not enough buying power. So you have to put in the money first. Okay. You go out in here. So the price right now is this thing right here. This is the price. Okay. All right here, 3.069. Okay. So you could, let me recap one more time. This is the money that you invest in the market right now. This is how much money you have in the market right now. This is your total investment, total cost. This is how much you invest in. This is your average price right now. And this is the price right now in the market. Okay. And click buy. And you want to buy with limit. Limit, that's mean you have to wait until it hit that price. And markets, you buy it right now. Okay. And this section right here is really important. Pay attention. This is really important right here. Right now, they ask you amount in Doge. Is how many Dogecoin you want to buy. You put in the amount. Like you want to buy 500 Dogecoin, right? And you're going to see the price. You click right here. You see the price right here. But if you don't want to buy in the amount, Doge, you want to buy in the price, click right here. Click right here, okay? I want you to click right there. Use your mouse and click right here. Or you use your hand. Click right there. You see the USD change? USD change. Click right here. It's Doge. You click right here. USD change. So they turn into price. How much money you want to buy Dogecoin? I'm gonna put in like I want to buy like let's say $4,000. $4,000 of Dogecoin. You see this? $4,000. You will have 12,000 something Dogecoin. You see this? It show right here. So it depends. Do you want to buy Dogecoin in the amount or you want to buy in the US dollars? Like, so it's all depend on you. Normally, I like to buy in the amount of Doge. Like, I want to buy like 20,000 Doge or 50,000 Doge, and they tell me the price. There you go. 20,000 Doge is this price right here. You click on buy. Okay. So that's how much. That's how you buy Dogecoin, and buy stock is the same way. Like now you click on sell, and you want to sell Dogecoin, right? You click on market price, and you click on what is the amount of Dogecoin that you want to sell. Let's say you want to sell. Let me see. Click right here. Let me show you one more time. If you want to sell Dogecoin, right? You click right here into your position. You click on close. This is buy. And this is sell. Okay, this is buy right here. This is sell. So you say you want to right now, I currently have 1,000 something Dogecoin and I want to sell everything. So it's right here. Okay. Limit price. You can put like market price too. You click on sell. That's it. It's done. Or you can click on market. Okay. If you sell 1,000 something Dogecoin, if I want to sell like 500 Dogecoin, I change right here. I want to sell 500 Dogecoin. You will see the price right here. Estimate amount is $162 right here. Okay. So I want to sell $162 of Dogecoin. Click on sell and done. You click on sell. That's it. But I don't want to sell right now. Okay. I will have a video to show you exactly how do I sell Dogecoin in real time so you understand. So that's how you do it. If you want to purchase, let's say COINBASE or any stock that you want, you click on quick trade and you type in, let's say you want to purchase Apple, for example. Okay. Click right here, Apple, and you click on buy right here, and you click on the market price and how many share Apple you want. Let's say one share. One share of Apple is $127, and you click on one share. You click on buy, and they say you cannot place during this time, okay? Because right now the market is closed right now. Even the after hour is closed. The market is closed. You cannot purchase. You have to wait until like tomorrow when the market is open up, okay? Or buy it until at 4 a.m. Okay. There you go. And you want to sell, click right here. You type in this much and you will click on sell. There you go. So that's how you buy and sell stock and cryptos. And now, Jimmy, what is the community? So like I say, right, anytime you want to purchase the stock, you click right here inside here, and you click on the quick trade and you search for the stock. So they have many different stock out there for you, right? Even Facebook, let's say you want to purchase Facebook, click right here and click on buy. Right, click on one share or 2 share and click on buy. So it's showing up right here and you purchased, okay? And this is include extend hours. This is only regular hour right here. So you can change. If you want only play during the regular hours right here, extend hours down here. Okay. Going back. So quick trade right here. And if you want to buy more in the same position, it's right here. So click in any of the section right here and purchase. Okay. Next thing, the community is down here, guy. Community is down here, and your message is private down here. So let me show you more. This is your position right here. You want to click on profit and loss right here. Profit and loss is right here. Profit and loss. You scroll down right here. You can see. Do you win any money down here? This is your order. You want to see if any of your order is pending, is done, or thing like that. Okay. This is transfer. Transfer is really, really important, guys. Let me show you where exactly this is. Okay. Let's go back in here. You click right here again. So anytime that you want to deposit the money in your account, you click right here. Okay. I'm going to show you a couple of fast way, okay, of how you deposit the money. So Jimmy, like, show me like how do you deposit the money in the account? Well, there's a couple way. The first easy way is you click right here, click into here, click right here, and the next thing you want to click on is detail. Click on detail, okay? There you go. And now you see this deposit in your account. This is withdraw. You want to withdraw the money out. So anytime you have a lot of money and you want to withdraw the money to your bank, you click withdraw, deposit right here. Click deposit, and you type in the amount. Let's say you want to type in like $100. You click on transfer to Webull. That's it, okay? Or $200 and type in $200, or $1,000, type in $1,000, transfer to Webull. And if you want to withdraw, click on withdraw right here, and you click on withdraw, and they're gonna withdraw to your bank, okay? So that's how you're doing it. And on top of that, you can do right here. You click on transfer right here. Transfer right there. You see that? Transfer right here. You click right here. Let me show you. Click right here. You click this button right here. And you click on transfer right there. I'm going to go really slow. Transfer right here. And you click on deposit is right here. This is withdraw, okay? And this is transfer stock to your Webull. This is transfer stock out. So what that means is you want to deposit, click deposit right here. Deposit. You put the money in. Whatever money you want to put in, 500, 1,000, click on transfer to Webull, and you wait for a couple of days, okay? And withdraw, click right here, you withdraw. How much money you want to withdraw out? Obviously, you have to sell your stock first, right? And you have more money to withdraw. And transfer stock to Webull. So let's say you have an account from Robinhood, and you don't like Robinhood for some reason, you don't like your other account for some reason, you want to try for the Webull, click right here. There you go, and you choose whatever account. Let's say you want to, you say Fidelity, for Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Stash don't allow me to trade crypto, and I want to transfer all my money to Webull so I can trade stock and let's say buy crypto for convenience. Then you can transfer the money, okay, and click on Fidelity in here, and you follow the instruction, okay. And if you don't know the answer, contact support, okay, contact support, and click on history. You can see all the history down here, and you see the document down here. All right, let's go back to here, assets. If you want to understand about the stock, like, you know, like the company profit statement and thing like that, this is what you do. You click right here, you go into the assets, and you click on the stock. Let's say Coinbase, right? Pick out any stock, click onto it, and now this is what you're going to do. This is what you're going to do, okay? Anytime that you want to know about the stock, you click on that stock, and you click on the icon of the stock. And now they have everything. You see that? The chart. You can see all the chart. Yeah. For the last 1 month, what is the price? They tell you exactly the price. You see? $265 right here. Price. You can see the price. And the last 3 months, 1 year, 5 years, and you can go down all the way in here to see everything. On top of that, you can play option right here. Option right here. And in option, they have like single option. All this thing is like way too much. Just worry about this thing right here. Call. Click right here. Do you want to buy call or put? Call is right here. I only focus on call. You want to play put? Put it right here. You only see everything is put. You see this? Right now, you see everything is put. So let's say this is the date. You see right here. They have the date of the option. I will have a video talk about option later on, but this purpose of this video is to show you the step-by-step of how it works. You click right here. Do you see the put right here? Put, okay. Put is mean you predict that the market is gonna go down, for example. But let me change this thing back to call. So all this thing right here is call, okay. That's why you see call right here. Call right here. You see this call. But if I change to put, you will see this thing is put. You see this? But if I change to both, you will see call, and this is put. So whatever thing you want to purchase, okay? June 18, this is the date of the option. And this is the date of the option right here, expire. Okay, this is the date of the option, and this is the price. There you go. This is the ask price right here. Okay. So that is the option. And if you want to know about the new, right here, click right here, the new. Let me go back and so you can understand, okay? Let go rewind everything back because sometimes it can be confusing for you guys. Let's go all the way back here. Let's say if I want to search for Coinbase, right? I click right here, Coinbase, search. The button right here, Coinbase, I can search right here, Coinbase, search Coinbase. Click right there. Do you see everything? I search for everything. The option, they have the new. I can also go back to this section where my stock only, or I can scroll to this side right here. Or I can click right here, like my position, whatever way it works, okay? My position. And this is the stock that I buy. I can click on Coinbase right here, and I can see the stock that I buy right here. Coinbase, I have all the new. Or I can go inside here, go back to this section right here, click right here, and you see this is my position right here, and I say, okay, this is the price that I buy in, 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 and this is the number of share that I have. Okay, the number of share that you have right here, and I say I want to buy more of Coinbase. Click right here, and I say I want to read the new of Coinbase. Okay, buy is right here and sell is right here, but I want to read the new Coinbase. Then I click right here, click onto the icon. There you go. Right now I can see all the new. You see, like the good thing about Webull is I can see all of the new about the stock. It's so convenient. Check this one out. When I click on Dogecoin, watch this. I click on Dogecoin. I can see all the new of Dogecoin. You see new right here? It's so convenient. I see everything. See? Update. Bitcoin rise to 9% to this thing right here. Bitcoin last right here. Tesla accept Bitcoin when miner use more energy. See? So I have all the new right here. One good thing about Webull is I don't have to go anywhere else on Google, Yahoo to find the new. It's all right here for me. So this is what I like about Webull really well, okay? And comment right here of other people, profile right here. And this is the chart, okay? And if I want to buy, click right here. I buy. That's it. And I can, this is the prior alert right here. Prior alert. I can set, and I can draw a certain thing. Coinbase, click right here, and so I can go to the stock play option or the new of Coinbase right here. Every new of Coinbase right here. And if I want to know the analysis about the company, it's right here, analysis. You know, like before you have to go to Yahoo Finance, you have to go to Google and search everywhere for the analysis of the cash flow, balance sheet, income statement. I click right here. I see everything. There you go. You see this analysis? I see everything in here. See? I can click on company, and I can click on financial. You see financial. I see everything. Right now, I can see really clear about the net income. Coinbase revenue right now is 1.8 billion. The net income right here is 771 in 2021 first quarter. The first quarter, the EPS right now is 1.8, and return on equity right here is 35%. The operation right here, current ratio. So I can turn this thing into like an annual. There you go. And this is financial detail. So if you want to know more detail, I can go in here. See, this is income statement right here. Total revenue, operating income. I can explain more about this thing later on. And this is the balance sheet right here. So everything is so convenient. All in here, you don't have to go anywhere else to analyze. Like, it's so convenient. So all you have to do is click on company, and you click on financial statement, and that's it. Everything is in here for you to see. And down here is more detail. And this is the press release right here of the company. So you can see like the AK, the financial right here of the company, the insider. I mean, like, you can see everything. Normally, this kind of information, you have to go inside the SEC and you have to go online to really see in it, right? And search everywhere. Now you have everything all inside convenient. And this is what I like most about Webull, because they put everything all in one. That's so convenient for you. From analyze all the fundamental, you can analyze all the statement of the company, the income, financial statement, and you can see everything from the company in here. And you can buy stock. It's so convenient. Okay. Let me see what else. Let's click on community right here. Community right here. You can see some of the stuff of other people. You can post anything in here you want. And this is your message or something right here. Okay. So I think that is all that I want to talk to you about Webull. This is the tutorial for beginner Webull. I hope after this videos, one of the best way is try Webull out. It's very, very convenient. And I think this is the dashboard for Webull. I mean, it cannot be easier than this, right? If you want to purchase a stock, just type in the stock. Let's say I want to buy today Rolls Royce, right? Or I want to buy, let's say, Palantir, for example. Palantir. Okay. And you click on trade. Like after you see the chart, after you see the new, right? After you see the new, everything is good. You see the analysis of the company is good. And you check out the company is good, everything. And you say, okay, looking good to me. I want to buy the Palantir. Okay. You click on right here. You click on trade. And you click on buy. Like how many share you want to buy. Right? You want to buy 4 share. The price down here. And you want to buy at this price. Or you want to buy at market price, for example. And this is the price. You click on buy. And that's it. Done. Okay. And you wait. So that's how easy it is. I mean, I don't see anything is and after you buy, your stock is going to appear right here for you. And on top of that, you can click right here. And your stock is going to appear down here for you as well. Okay. So and the total value is right here. Your market value is right here. And how much cash you have right here to purchase stock. And anytime that you want to put in more cash, click on transfer. Or you can click on detail right here. And you deposit more cash right here. Or you can click on transfer, right? Deposit. And that's it. I mean, it's like so simple. I mean, I don't know what else to explain to you. But anyway, guys, I really hope that this tutorial is really helpful for you. And you can try out Webull. You can check my link below in this description of this YouTube videos. If you sign up for Webull, basically you will have 2 free stock. And if you deposit $100, like basically when you sign up with Webull, you have 1 free stock. And if you deposit another $100, you have another free stock up to $1,600 of the stock that can reward for you as well. So sign up with Webull, you have 2 free stock up to value up to $1,600. Okay. So if you can use my link below in the description box, that would be really helpful as well. Because either way, if you want to sign up, either way you have to sign up. But if you sign up under my link, I would be greatly appreciate this. Okay. Well, thank you so much. And if you have any kind of question, drop down the comment below. And I see you in the next video. Thank you. And always invest like a genius.